Hey guys, did you know that in 1929, school kids around the state, just like you and me, voted to make the cardinal Illinois state bird? That means we were the first of 7 states to make the state bird, the northern cardinal. There are a lot of fun things to learn about our state bird, like this. The male cardinal is bright red with black around the beak and eyes. The female is pale gray, brown, and just a tiny bit of red. Both the male and female have large pointed crusts on the head, kind of like a mohawk. Cardinals are so popular, they're also the mascot for a lot of sport teams and schools. Unlike many songbirds, male and female cardinals both sing sweet tunes. In the summer, they are often the songbird you hear first thing in the morning. Their song can sound like this: cheer, cheer, tweet, tweet, or purdy, purdy, purdy. Male cardinals are great dads. They are so protective of their babies. They will risk their life trying to save them. Ever wonder what type of mood cardinals are in? You can tell by the feathers on the top of their head. If the feathers are laying down, they are relaxed. But if they are sticking up, something is bothering them. Finally, cardinals stay at home in the winter, unlike other birds who migrate to warmer climates. In the winter, cardinals can be found in your backyard all year. There you have it. Some fun facts about the Illinois state bird, the northern cardinal.